Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Renault remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is need to remove this screw here out of the top of the fob to gain access to the battery. So first we get our Phillips screwdriver and very carefully just remove the screw. And now we get our flat-headed screwdriver, and just in the bottom left-hand corner there is an indentation in the fob, just so you can put the blade of the screwdriver in, give it a twist, and it cracks the two halves of the case. And there you go. There is your key fob battery. And now we just get a littler screwdriver and just get underneath it and just prise the battery from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR1620, like this one. We just simply pop it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the case, make sure it all lines up, and click it back together. And now we just need to pop the screw back in. And there you go, it's all done.